Hey guys, good morning. I'm opening up the vlog a little later than usual. It's 10:58, so almost 11 Central Time. I have the girls in the bathtub. I wanted to actually do my hair with my curler. Last night I washed it and then I blow dried it and then straightened it and slept on it, so it's super flat today. And then I also wanted to do a quick makeup look in today's vlog, so my eyes are not as irritated as they were yesterday. I've been putting cortisone on it, just a tiny bit of it. It seems to help, but I know it's not supposed to be for eyes, but I've just been putting a little bit of it. So until I go see a dermatologist, then I'm gonna keep doing that because they get really inflamed and red. So yeah, that's not fun. So I already did the dishes, I cleaned the kitchen. That's all I've been doing. I drank my coffee. The girls had already 2 breakfasts. They had yogurt and then they had cereal. So yeah, I have not eaten anything. I just had coffee. I'm waiting till probably 12 and then I'll eat something. Guys, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this detox dry shampoo. Yes, my hair is freshly washed from last night, but I feel like it'll give you more volume. So if you have thin hair or don't have thick hair, I do have thick hair, but I love the big Texas volume look. So I end up using this detox dry shampoo, which is this one here. I think I got this at Sephora and I just got the travel size, and this has lasted me a long time. And then this I got in California as well. It's the Neuro Style Finishing Hairspray. I got this when I went and got my haircut at it was at like a Aveda. Was it Aveda Beauty School? It was some school that I went just because I just needed a trim. I wasn't looking for anything specific. So I paid more for this than I did for the haircut. Let's just say that. So if you're just going or wanting just a simple cut, definitely try out your local hair styling schools, cosmetology schools, because they're there learning. So, and she did a really good job. I really like the way she cut my hair when we were in California. It's grown a lot since then, as you can see. So I'm just gonna shake it and do a little bit, swish it around. And this stuff smells so good. You can already see what it does for your hair. Look how big that is already. I am using my T3 curler. This is the 3-in-1, so it's got different barrels. This is the barrel I like when I want more of a tighter curl, and then this one is just for those days where I just want to take the frizz out, because this just gives you really big curls. Okay, in a second. And then this one here goes thinner, so this will definitely give you a tighter curl than the one I'm about to use. I think I got this 2 years ago. I'm gonna say 2 years ago, and I've been loving it. And I'm gonna probably purchase more barrels. I want the clamping one. So I'm just gonna section my hair off. I really don't focus too much on the bottom of my hair just because nobody really sees that. It's just the top layer that I like when it just falls. So then I part it down the center of the back, give it a comb through, get some spray. I just use a little bit, and then I just start with the back layer, and then I just twirl around like that. I leave the tips, I've mentioned it before, and then I just pull it.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Okay guys, so that's how I just do my hair when I want it to have more of a curl. Again, this one's gonna give you some just really loose curls. This is the bigger barrel. This one's gonna give you a little bit of a looser curl on the top, depending on how you angle it. And then this one just gives you this curl. And then I just like to use my fingers. I use a bigger tooth comb just to brush it out at first. And then I use my fingers just to go through it. And then that's it. Now let's go on to makeup. Hey guys, so I'm back with the makeup portion of this Vlogmas. I've already done my foundation, skincare, blush, highlighter, brows off camera because it'll just take forever. I'll probably just end up speeding through this, but I wanted to share with you guys what I'll be using today. And my foundation does look a little bit light. I don't know if it's the lighting, but I ended up getting 2 samples of the Estee Lauder Double Wear, which are right here. And quite honestly, I think one is too light and one is too dark. So I'm gonna save these and take them in. That way I can get one in between. So I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette today. It looks like that. These are all the colors, so pretty. I have no idea what I'm going to be doing as of yet. So my eyes aren't as irritated as they were yesterday. But since I started the vlog later than usual, I haven't really been filming what I've been doing all day, and it's a lot. As a stay-at-home mom, your job is never complete. So I'm gonna go in with my, let me see, I'm gonna go in with just a fluffy brush. This is a Morphe brush. I have no idea the number or anything like that. It just says Morphe on there. I got it in a set when I went to IMATS in Pasadena, and I think I'm gonna go in with an all-over color first, and I'm gonna do it very lightly because I don't want my eyes to get even more irritated. So I'm just gonna buff it all over. This is the shade Vanilla Wafers Butterscotch, which is this one right here. That's just gonna be like a transition color. Just go in little circles. I'm gonna grab a smaller brush or more of a tapered brush like this one here. This is by MAC. It's the 226. I'm gonna go in with Gingerbread Glam, which is this one here. Underneath that transition color, just going very lightly and also doing little circles. Next, I'm gonna go in with Lick the Spoon, which is this one here. Lick the Spoon. I'm gonna get more of a flatter brush, spray it with a little bit of some all-nighter spray.
Why don't you catch me?
I'm gonna go in with Midnight. No, I'm gonna go in with Cookie Call, which is this brown color. You guys know I gravitate towards all of the orangey and brown shades. And I'm just gonna smoke this out at the bottom. Then I'm gonna also go into the corner crease with the same shade, just to make it look a little bit more smoky. And I'm just connecting it with my liner. just to make my eyes look a little bit more of a rounded shape rather than cat eye. Next, I'm going to go in with the KKW Beauty Mascara.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
All right. And then for the lips, I'm not going to do top liner because I feel like I have enough liner going on at the bottom and my eyes will probably get irritated. So I'm going to use for my lips the Melted Matte color in Gingerbread Girl, which is this one here. And I need a lip liner. I'll be right back. So my makeup bag is what has all my lip pencils in it. So let me find one. I think I'm going to go with like a dark brown. And I'm going to go with the Morphe. Let me see which one is. I'll put this up here so it doesn't get dirty. Should I do Morphe Love Bite or... Yeah, I'm going to do the Morphe lip pencil in Love Bite, which is just like a basic brown. I'm going to... Hopefully it's sharp enough.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Definitely darker than I do, but for the fall, I think dark colors are very nice. And this is kind of like a burnt orange shade.
Well, you look beautiful.
I look beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. They always, so yeah, this is the completed look. Definitely add lashes, eyeliner, and you're good to go on a date or just like a festive party. Do you like my lipstick, Zoe? I'm telling you, they both freak out when they see me all with red lips. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. And now let's get on with the rest of our day.
Empire Strikes Back. And what George Lucas did to the special edition of A New Hope later on. The real savvy fan me.
Hey guys, so it is 6:24. Hubby was a little late taking the twins back home. They ate. I had to run to Target. That's what happened, is I had to run to Target to go exchange something. And then I was like, well, what do the girls want to eat? And nobody could make up their mind what they wanted to eat. Finally, hubby was just like, just get chicken strips and tater tots. I'm like, okay. It was so last minute because like nobody could decide what they wanted to eat, and I made it in the air fryer, you guys, and it was done in it was like so fast, and the twins were like, oh my god, this is like the best. They loved how crispy the tater tots were, and they really enjoyed the chicken strips. Let me know if you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you want me to incorporate more makeup and hair tutorials, post it down below in the comments, because that's what this channel used to be. It was all about makeup and beauty, and I kind of ventured off after being a stay-at-home mom. Now it's more cleaning, organizing, cooking, all of that stuff. So if you enjoyed this type of vlog where I incorporate makeup looks and stuff like that, just let me know down below. So far my eyes have not been irritated. This one did get a little bit watery today. This was like way earlier, but for the most part it did not irritate me. So we shall see when I remove the makeup how my eyes are gonna look tonight. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.